this is just my friend, and Iris is currently muted right now. But it's Leah. She is the first ever viewer on my channel. So she has a message from earlier, where she says, "Hi YouTube." Yes, that is her message. If you want to see my channel, it's right here. And if you want to be in my video, just go to Bloxd, and this is my username. It's Macy, and I'll be always online with Sandbox Creative 222. Okay, bye guys. See you later.